Hidden just behind the chaos of Petaling Street is one of Kuala Lumpur's most talked about curry mee stalls. This is Madras Lane Curry Mee. For over 50 years, this narrow, damp back lane has fed generations of locals long before cafés and minimalist coffee bars arrived in Chinatown. For many people, this isn't just curry mee, it's memory. Eating here is not a gentle experience. The lane is narrow, humid and noisy, shared with other old-school hawkers, chi cheong fun, yong tau fu, kopi stalls. Tables are limited, and first-timers often get confused. Each curry mee stall controls specific tables, and you're expected to sit in the right section before you even order. It's an unwritten rule shaped by decades of rivalry. This place also isn't for the squeamish. The wet market smell lingers. Hygiene is basic. Some diners call this authentic. Others decide very quickly that it's not for them. That tension between nostalgia and discomfort defines Madras Lane. Service is brisk and unapologetic. Orders are shouted, movements are fast, patience is expected. The elderly matriarch still draws affection, while younger staff keep things moving, sometimes with frayed tempers when weekend crowds surge. No small talk, no explanations. Just eat.
Okay, thank you.
When the curry mee is good though, it still delivers. This is classic Malaysian Chinese curry noodles. Messy, comforting and unapologetic. The broth is coconut-rich with a visible layer of chilli oil on top. Fragrant rather than greasy, spicy without becoming heavy. I went with the classic mix of yellow mee and bihun. The vermicelli soaks up the curry while the thicker noodles add chew and structure. It's a combination that works because it always has. The fresh cockles arrive plump and just barely cooked, slightly raw in the center with that briny metallic sweetness that curry mee lovers look for. The tau pork does what good tau pork should, soaking up curry and releasing it with every bite. The brinjal is soft and silky, stained red from the broth, while the long beans add a bit of bite. The real standout though is the pork skin. Springy, gelatinous, strangely satisfying. It adds a texture that's bold, crunchy and soft at the same time. Regulars swear by ordering extra. I understand why. I paid 10 ringgit for a small bowl, which felt fair for the ingredients. Prices today range much higher depending on size and add-ons. But the bigger issue isn't price, it's consistency. Longtime fans say the curry isn't always what it used to be. Sometimes thinner, sometimes saltier. A great bowl here depends very much on timing and a bit of luck. Madras Lane Curry Mee is both a culinary relic and a test of tolerance. On a good day, the flavors, spicy, coconutty, porky, offer a glimpse of Kuala Lumpur's hawker past. On a bad day, the heat, crowding and hygiene can overshadow the bowl entirely. For nostalgic locals and street food purists, it's worth visiting while it still exists, especially with redevelopment looming. For others, the legend may feel more exhausting than essential. Come for the history, stay for the pork skin, and accept that this bowl is as much about the past as it is about what's left of it.